Behavioralism is an approach to psychology that combines elements of philosophy, methodology, and theory. It emerged in the early 20th century as a reaction to materialistic psychology, which others had difficulty making predictions that could be tested using rigorous experimental methods. Cognitivism is a theoretical framework for understanding the mind that gained traction in the 1950s. The movement was a response to behavioralism, which cognitivists say neglect to explain cognition. Cognitive psychology derives its name from the Latin cognitia, referring to knowing and information. Thus, cognitive psychology is an information processing psychology, derived in part from earlier traditions of the investigation of thought and problem solving. Constructivism is a theory of learning and approach to education that lays emphasis on the ways that people create meaning of the world, thought and series of individual constructs. Constructs are the different types of the factors we choose to place overall, related to change or relative from chaos to order.